Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing this mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter that I ordered from Amazon. I got this for only just rupees 250, and if you're interested then I'll put the purchase link in the description, so be sure to check that out. So why did I order this adapter? My current graphics card only has a mini DisplayPort output and I just wanted to connect to my monitor. So I just need this adapter. That's why I ordered this adapter. And it's also supposed to work with my MacBook, making it a versatile choice. Here's a close-up of the adapter itself. One on the end, you got the mini DisplayPort which connect to the device, and on the other end, there's a HDMI port that goes to the monitor. I plug it into my graphics card and it connects perfectly. The image on the monitor was sharp with no lag or flickering issue, exactly what I was hoping for. Now let's talk about the MacBook. Unfortunately, I ran some into issue here. I connect the adapter to my MacBook, but the monitor just saw a black screen. I even tried switching the HDMI cable, but still no luck. It might be a compatible issue or something specific with my MacBook, but if you have any faced something like this issue and found a fix, then let me know in the comment section.